Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to unlock the Vanguard Zadie outfit in the game. It's a straightforward process that involves completing some in-game challenges. First, you'll need to log into the game to activate the special Vanguard Zadie quests. The main goal is to earn 50 account levels, which will grant you the full outfit. There are also fantastic bonus rewards, like a cool pickaxe and a stylish back bling, available as you progress. To begin your journey, make sure you log into the game before the event period concludes to ensure you activate the Vanguard Zadie quests. Once activated, you can easily track your progress by navigating to the Quests tab in the main lobby or even during a match. Focus on completing your daily and weekly challenges, as these are excellent sources of experience points that will help you level up efficiently and steadily. To maximize your leveling speed, prioritize completing story quests and seasonal milestones available across different game seasons. Many players also find success by utilizing specific creative maps or engaging in certain game modes that offer bonus experience. For a truly significant boost, consider spending time in Fortnite Festival. Playing songs there can often provide substantial experience points, helping you reach those 50 levels much faster. Beyond the main outfit, there are more rewards to collect. You can unlock Zadie's Blade pickaxe by earning 15 account levels. Continue your progress, and at 30 account levels, you will receive Zadie's Blade back bling. Furthermore, the Vanguard Zadie outfit features unique styles that reflect your highest rank achieved in competitive game modes, allowing you to showcase your skill with different cosmetic variations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.